Hello friend. So our next topic is HTML tables. Okay. So in this HTML table, first we understand about the table. What is the table? Okay. So you will see in this screen. See, this is our one kind of a timetable. Okay. Online teachers timetable. Our timetable. Okay. So this is the table. Now in this table you will see this kind of you will see the Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are the and these timings related subject related. Okay, timings. These are the columns. What is this? These all are the column 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the columns. Okay, and this one is like days, like this time. Okay, like this. This is the row. Okay, so these are the all the rows. Though basically the definition is table for is collections of rows and column, that is called table. Okay, collections of rows and column, that is called our table. So this kind of table, if we want to make in our HTML for our website or web pages or website, okay, so how we can create the table in using HTML code. Okay, so we will see the HTML code, okay, for the example of a table. So there are basically table tag here, we are using table tag. Okay, inside the table tag, table row and table data. Okay, for different row, suppose this row we are using table row, these are the table row, and inside this row, this Tuesday, 7th computer, 5th computer, 4th computer, all for this our data. So we are using for this data table data for TD tag. So we will see the example of this. Okay, suppose I have already code. Okay, so I am copying here. So we save our time. Okay, so this is our basic structure of a HTML table. Okay, first we save the program like table example.html. Okay, so save in a desktop, save. Now we are using table tag. So in this table tag, I am taking the table tag, okay, like a table. Here, see, this is our table tag. This is a simple our table tag. And inside the table, suppose if we want the data, so first we will keep the data row and column wise. Okay, so first we will take table row. First we want table row, table heading. Okay, table heading. So using the th tag. What? Th tag. Okay, like roll number. Okay, now second column name is, see, this roll number is like this. See, suppose this is the time. Okay, so these are the time. So we will give here. Suppose we are we are taking a time only. Time. Okay. Now second, which is a timing hour. Okay. So what is the timing? Mm, 9 to 9:40. Okay, so second column name was 9 to 9:40. Okay, and third column name is 9:40 to 10. Suppose 20 later. Okay, so this is our column name. Now we are using the data. So how we can keep the data? Here table row. Okay, table row, and inside the table row we are using table data tag, TD tag. Okay, we are also using a table row. So first row is over, and this is the inside the row. Okay, and second row, now we are entering the second row, and here we keep the data, table data, TD. Okay, using the table tag TD, and here we are using, suppose, days. Our timetable is what, like here. See here, in this row, okay, these are the days, Monday, Tuesday, okay, all this thing. Table data is a days, and again copy this days, and second row is a this second data is all 3 or are blank. Okay, but we are not taking here a blank. Okay, we give some data like, suppose Monday, subject standard. Okay, standard, suppose first. Here we are entering the data first. Okay, here, so we need some randomly data. Okay, there is no meaningful data. Okay, so you can keep any data right now. Okay, so third, so one is over table data. There is no need table data. Okay, and this is the table row. Okay, so second is over. Now we will see the how the structure of table will be ready. Okay, see here, refresh this. Okay, so this is not our old program. This is the table tag index. Okay, here save. So you will see the randomly selected our data. Okay, see, this is our table related created, but this is not the proper way format. Okay, so how we can take the proper format? So here we table, we take border equal to 3. So see, we'll see the what is the difference. So you will get the this kind of data. Okay, but here in this 3, above the 3 there is a blank space, there is no column. Okay, no cell, no border. So there is a problem between here. There are 3 column, 3 row. Okay, 3 column, and here there are 4 column. So there is 1 column is here remaining for table data. So we take here, okay, 9 to 12, 20, and 20 to 1120, 20 to 11, 10, 50. Okay, save. Now we will see the output. See, okay, so this is our proper format of a table. So now here we will take the color. Suppose if we want to give the color, then how we can give the color? So color equals to BG color equals to, suppose, red. Okay, so suppose we will see the here out. See, you will get the color of a table. Okay, understand this, how we can keep put the color in the table using the BG color attribute. These are the attributes, and these are the value of this attribute. Okay, the red color is what, in a red color which are written text border BG color. These are the attributes of a table. Okay, so this is the attributes, and this is the value of this attribute. Okay, so this is the BG color, and border color. Suppose here border color you will see like the black side. Okay, suppose we are if we want in a different color, then here using the border color equals to, suppose, green. Then save and then run. So you will see the border color. So you will see the border color here. Okay, so these are the border colors. Suppose we will give the different color like yellow. See, this is the different color. So you will see the understanding the border. Okay, now see, in this table the one is a left side, second is a left side, third is a left side, but we want the center. Okay, these all are attributes in a center. Then how we can keep the center? Like here, TD align equal to center. Okay, so suppose okay, all this in all table data column, okay, table data, and now we will save and run. So you will see the all the 1 2 3 in a center. See, okay, so you will see the difference between the align equal to center. When we go when we take the align equal to center, okay, or align equal to, suppose if we are going doing here center replace the right, so one will be in a right side. You will see this one is currently in a center, but you will see here in a right side. Okay, see the difference. Okay, see, this is the right side. So you can change your alignment in a table column, table cell, table data. Okay, so this was our the example of a simple basic structure of a table. In this table also, table has a different attributes. We have seen border, okay, BG color, border color, okay. Also you can give the width, height. Suppose we will take here table width. Okay, so width equal to 20%. So what is the difference? We will see, you will see the width. Okay, so this is the width. Width means from top to bottom here, like this way. Okay, this complete the width, and height means this kind of width, from the left to right or right to left, and width is a height top to bottom, bottom to top. Okay, width. And now height, we will see the height. Height equals to suppose 30%. Then we will see what we get the output. Okay, there is no output. Suppose we are increasing more than height equal to 60%. Then what will happen? See, you will see the height. These are the height and these are the width. Okay, horizontal and vertical. So you will see the difference. Suppose width, we are increasing the width, suppose 60%. Then what will happen? See, you will see the width. This is the width from here to here. See on my cursor. Okay, from time here to last column. This is the our width. Okay, this is the width, and this is the vertical is our height. Okay, so understand this. This is our table example. Okay, so this is the basic example of your table. Table is what? Collections of rows and columns, and using the table tag you can create the table in a web pages. Understand? And there are some attributes: border, BG color, okay, align, cell spacing and cell padding. Border, BG color, okay, these all are the attributes of a table tag. Okay, you can create the table tag for table row, table data tag. Okay, inside the table tag, and table heading for the, you can give the heading tag. So this is the, and one more table tag is a table footer for your bottom side of a table. Okay, so these are the example of our table tag. Okay, or the topic of our table tag. In the next lecture, next topic, we will see the inserting an image. Suppose if we want the insert, so we will see how we can insert image. We will see in the next topic. Okay, inserting an image. So thank you.